Oh!
Without you.
Hi guys, it's me Vincent. So today we're going to do Exploding Lemon Challenge, as you all know on YouTube, called Exploding Watermelon Challenge. So what I want to do is with lemon. I have a watermelon in my house because I don't want to explode, and I only have one watermelon, and I have 3 or 4 lemons in my house. So I just want to explode this lemon. Well, this video will be fun, I guess. So I have rubber bands to put a lemon. It was from my childhood to making my own bracelet or making own bracelets. I have glasses, sunglasses. Let's start it. Guys, look at this. It's gonna explode. I hope it does. Oh my god, looks like it's gonna explode. This is it. This is it. Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Look at all these lemons explode. And look at this. Look at my teacher. Oh my god. Look at this lemon seed. And look at this. My god. Damn. That was so blast. Lemon squish. So, I hope you guys enjoy and like this video, and see you in the next video.